All right, today we got this 2014 Chevy Impala. This is the LTZ model. So customer is having an issue with the factory amplifier. Wasn't producing sound and it would randomly shut off and stuff. So we got a different one and we're replacing that. I'm just testing it right now. Everything works good, so we're gonna put it back together. But just so you guys know, see all that water? We live in Minnesota, so we get a lot of snow and stuff that will come in, and they have a defect. I swear this happens to a lot of GM stuff, but the water falls and gets into the amplifier, corrodes, causes problems, so you have to get another amplifier, which can be tricky, and dealerships will charge you, I think, $1,200, which I'm not even close to that for this repair. But yeah, just so you guys know, you're aware, Team Twisted Sounds, we're here when you need us.